students. I, Tapasya, going to teach moral science to class 5 students. Today children, I am going to teach lesson number 9, a heap of gold. Lesson number 9, a heap of gold. Dharamdas was a man of virtuous, as his name suggests. His father had given him a lot of wealth. He used to spend a lot of it to help others. It was his habit to help anybody. So he was surrounded by a lot of people always. Soon he spent all that he had. All those who were coming to him suddenly disappeared. He became very poor, and very few were there to inquire about him. Even during those hard days, he never strayed from his righteous way. He prayed to God every day to bless him enough to help the needy who came to him. It is a story about a very virtuous man named Dharamdas. He was very rich because his father kept a lot of wealth for him. After his death, his father he used those wealth to serve other, to help other. He used to do a lot of charities to the poor and needy people. By doing so regularly every day, a time came when all his wealth were finished. And that time he found that nobody used to come to him because now he is no more rich person. And the people whom he used to help never asked about his health, about his condition at present. Then also from his heart he prayed to God, God, please Almighty help me. To improve my condition, I should get that much wealth and money so that I can help the poor in this hard time of mine. So one night he had a great dream. A divine person came to him and said, Dharamdas, there is one way for you to get a lot of wealth. Tomorrow you will find me coming to the shadow of a big tree in front of the elephant. I will sleep in shade. All you have to do is to pick up my stuff and hit me on my head. My body will turn into a heap of gold. You can take it all. Dharamdas saw the speaker's face very clearly. Although Dharamdas did not believe or like the idea, he went to the tree next day. True to the word, a holy man came there. He was rather tired of a long day. True to the word, long day work. As soon as he reached the shade of the tree, he put aside his stuff and the long shade he carried and went to sleep. Dharamdas recognized him as the man in the dream. Nobody else was around. He could easily hit the sleeping man and take the gold. All his worries would be over. But he would do nothing of that sort. Attacking another person is violence. Even if permitted by victim, he would not do that, not even for the entire wealth of the world. Now, one night he had a dream. In his dream he saw a holy man came in his dream and told to him, Dharamdas, I will bless you with lot of wealth. The condition is that tomorrow you will find me taking rest in the shade of a tree. I will have a sack and I will have some things inside that sack. You do one thing while I am sleeping that time, you will take that sack and hit on my head. I will die there in that moment and my entire body will change into gold. Now this gold you can use in helping others. Dharamdas went next day. He saw that holy man came to that shade of that tree and see, and he found that the holy man was little bit tired because it might be after a long walk. He got tired and he went under the shade of the tree and he slept there with a big shake on his head. Dharamdas, when he looked the man nicely, he found that the same person whom he had seen in his dream last night was that holy man only. But he never sure that to get some wealth we have to kill someone. He did not believe in that philosophy. So he could not hit that man while he was sleeping, but there was no one to look there what he was doing. So he could easily hit the man, but he didn't do so. And he told that even though I am poor, then also I will not want those wealth which comes in the cost of somebody's life. He said there looking at the face of the sleeping man for several hours. Finally the holy man woke up. He asked with amazement, why you had chance of a lifetime? Don't worry, I will give you another chance. Dharamdas said, no master, even then I am not going to do a wrong thing. Instead, why? Don't you come to my house and have a frugal meal? You have not eaten for several hours. The holy man smiled. He said to leave. Dharamdas touched his feet with a blessing word. You will soon be prosperous. The man gave him the sack he was carrying. In another moment he was gone. The good man's amazement was doubled when he saw the sack was full of gold coins. Now, when the holy man got up after his sleep, he woke up. He said to that Dharamdas that why you have not hit me? You got a golden chance. Nobody is here to look you. Why you have not hit me? You could have got so many wealth after my death. Then Dharamdas told, it is I never think in that way that to get some wealth I have to kill somebody else. It is the wrong way to get the wealth. So I am not going to do such thing. If you will give, he told, I will give you second chance. You can hit me now. He told, if you give me second chance also, I will not hit you. Rather, you please come to my home. I find that you are very weak and feeble. You might have not eaten for long days. Please have a frugal meal. Frugal means small and not that much expensive. Means poor people what food they have in their home. Because now condition of Dharamdas is like just a very poor man. So he told that have some meal in my home. Please come to my home. My request to you. Then that holy man smiled at him and said to him that you will be a prosperous person from today onwards. By saying he was about to go, Dharamdas took the blessing of the holy man by touching his feet. Then the holy man gave the shake to him. Please take this shake. Whatever is there in the shake you can have. You can use this thing to serve others. By saying so, the holy man vanished away from there. Dharamdas, when he opened the sack of that holy man, he found the sack was full of gold coins, and he was very happy that he got one more chance to help others or to help the needy people who are in the society. And he was very thankful and grateful to that holy man that he has helped in his good cause. So this is about the story about Dharamdas, and the moral of the story is we should not use any type of violence. We should always follow in the path of non-violence. To solve any problem or any dispute which comes before us, always think positive about, always think good path to go forward. It may be hard, it may be you get a lot of problem on that path, but ultimately if God will help you in your cause, if you are good in your thought, if you want to do something good for others, Almighty will always help you. Thank you children for listening this beautiful story. Bye bye.